Hem Doshi, and I'm here to share my experience of your turn meetings with Japan, which we are having lately. I am loving your turn meetings. Like, yes, I mean it. They are so interesting, they're so fun. It is like when you talk or when you discuss with other people belonging from different region, different place, different areas, you get to know so much about them. You can see how they perceive the world, how they see the world, how what all changes they want, and having discussions on topics like corruption, abortion, and happiness, relationship values, sound, music, culture, folklore, legendary facts, stories, religion. I have got to know so much about Japan. I thought people in Japan only eat sushi and they only watch anime, but no, there is more to that. Like how they celebrate, how they live their ordinary lives, and it has been really fascinating to know. I'm very thankful to the School of Japan, and to my school that in this situation, while we are in the quarantine and everything is shut down, like both the school made it possible to meet virtually. Like having a discussion at my home with the school in Japan, I never thought that it would have been possible. But today, see, here I am sharing my experience of the meetings. So, yeah, they are very cool, they're interesting, and I'm very thankful that I got the opportunity to speak and to keep my opinion. And I hope someday we can actually meet and discuss some situations or current affairs. Thank you so much.
I think that is a big thing to have international activity in this pandemic situation. I was honestly given up to have those kind of things, so joining this made me so fun and I was so excited to have this. Well, my favorite topic is about stereotype of each other's country. It was really fun to know how Indian people see Japanese, and I remember they are thinking that we are always eating I mean, we always eat sushi, and I was seriously thinking that Indian people always eat curry. We could know that we are tend to think the food which is famous in that country, eaten daily in the country. Future, well, I don't have any specific topic that we want to talk, but I really want to see them in real life someday because I know it can make our friendship deeper. Yet, yes, in this situation that is very difficult and next to impossible to see them, but yeah, I really want to see them. Well, global citizen, yes, it helped me a lot to shape me as a global citizen. Well, I remember that we talked about world peace, and we could know that there's no people who want to fight with other countries or maybe have a conflict or world war. We all want world peace, and I think by knowing this, our friendship and our bond as global citizen became stronger. So yes, this meeting helped me a lot to be a global citizen.
We would decide upon topics alternatively and have a very research discussion about it, which was followed by a question answer session, which was super fun, in which we would get to interact, and it never felt like we did not know each other. It always felt like we were friends. And if I had to choose one meeting which was my favorite, I would say it was the one where we shared our travel pictures, our favorite travel pictures. I feel it was a very sweet meeting in which we got to know about so many places and about such different perspectives of people and their favorite places. Uh, also, during most part of the pandemic, we were inside our houses, and that was one thing I would look forward to every Friday at 1 o'clock. I would make sure that I am in the meeting, and it also helped us grow as a global citizen, and it helped us build a great international perspective uh, by knowing the other country's perspective and their practices. So it was a great initiative, I would say, and I'm very thankful to our international coordinator for organizing this amazing event. Thank you.